Of course, one of the most selling digital products out there, that is ebooks, especially the depths one that dig deeper in the content and solve a problem people are facing in a specific topic and a specific niche. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use NotebookLM, one of the best branches of Google recently, to create your digital products, your ebook, and sell them like a professional, even if you don't have any experience or skills beforehand. So now let's get started. And the first tip here, for sure, just you can head over to NotebookLM. Then here in NotebookLM, just you can go to this plus icon and click over this one, and then you can find here you can add your resource, as we all know, from Google Drive, from YouTube, and a web page and something. So in this video, I just again go to this one, copied text, and here we can use a beautiful prompt here just to give you completely for free. You can find this prompt down below in the first comment and description box, like this one, the book detailed prompt. Here just you can create your own content of your ebook, like this one, for create a deep premium high value ebook for sale. And here you can find some placeholders like topic and for problem and target audience. For sure, we all know every single digital product must solve a specific problem or pain point for this specific target audience or this group of people. Okay, that is a peer rule of digital marketing. So these placeholders we will fill shortly in this video. And for of course, the second placeholders that contains some frequently asked questions from Google itself, because to make your own ebook valuable and for high demand from people already search for a solution on Google, here you can answer these questions on your ebook, as you see. Okay, so now we can actually go to this prompt and copy all of it like this one, and go and copy and go to NotebookLM like that and paste. Okay, and insert. And just in a few seconds here, Notebook analyzes this resource and this huge prompt to create your own ebook or your guide, as you see. Okay, then it's time now how we can answer these questions from Google, the most pressing questions and the problem and target audience. So that's way we can use a second prompt I will give you completely for free, that says problem mining prompt, like this one. Okay, so here it would just, you can actually, if you wanna go directly for the target audience, can actually make your own ebook for a specific target audience, like for parents, for moms, for seekers for job, and gym rats or something else. Okay, and insert this topic. So I can get the whole prompt again, copy. Okay, Ctrl C, and now we can go directly to Chat GPT and just insert this whole prompt. And of course, I just actually wanna change this target audience only. So I can, as an example, I can take parents, my target audience, parents, and this topic for sure I just select something like the children of ADHD. So then go. And just in a few seconds here you can find this amazing table of these problems, and there, as here, like this one, as you observe, the deep pain matrix, homework takes hours every night, the problem here, constant emotional meltdowns, sibling resentment, and child saying I am dumb, and so on. And with their angles for parents, like fear angle, desire, and fast relief, and status, and so on, they are laser focused ebook to solve this angle for this problem for this target audience, the parents with ADHD children. Okay, so here we are just taking this one, okay, as this whole prompt, copy, and now we can go back to NotebookLM and just insert the problem, okay, that is, and the audience, of course, parents with ADHD children. Okay, and regarding the questions from Google, So of course we can simply go to Google and look for something like parents with ADHD, like this one. And here you can find some amazing people also ask questions like this one. But of course it's a manual effort that takes from you some time and effort and so on, and daunting task. So that's why I just create for you and build an awesome library here that says Query Profit Vault that saves your time and gives you what you want from all these people also ask questions in about 90 plus niches, the hot trending topics, about 4,000 trending topics. So here in Query Profit Vault, here you can sign up, okay, and just you can go to select niches. You can find awesome niches, okay, as you see, like ADHD for example, and here you select your topic, okay. So you can find something here like for this impacts relationships or esteems or something here, open guide. Then you can find huge amounts of these questions people also ask here regarding this topic and for this specific problem, like this one as you see, okay. That's it. So here we can actually how to improve focus with ADHD, how can I control my ADHD without medication and something, and with these branches and sub questions. So here in our today's method, I can go to this one, for example, these questions, okay, like this. Okay, and Control C, and now we can go back to our NotebookLM, and the questions here, the questions could be like these as you observe. Then it's time now to go next. And here in NotebookLM just analyzes all these inputs from you, like the parents, the target audience, the problem, the angles, and these questions, and gives you all the instructions and the content of your own ebook or your whole guide as you observe. And of course, these references regarding your prompt you just answered in the first place as you observe, okay? That's it. Amazing. So now we can actually take the whole as it is, okay? And now we can move on to the second step here just by going to gamma.app. It's an awesome website to create your own ebook and your guide completely for free using AI. So here you can create a new one and paste a text. So I just select document and insert this one, paste. Okay, that's it. And here just go to generate from notes or an outline, continue to prompt editor. Then it's time to select this one, detailed one, don't forget that, detailed ebook, and generate. And just in few seconds here you can find your own ebook would be built in front of your eyes like this one, from nightly meltdowns to academic homework struggle and so on and so forth. Perfect. Deep diagnosis of the HD learning block. Of course, we are solving the problem parents facing regarding this problem. That is homework. It takes 3 hours every night for ADHD children, okay, as you see. And this one, fear angle. So this ebook solves this problem exactly as you observe. And of course, in between lines, answers the questions with the questions you've got from Google. People also ask questions, or from Query Profit Vault product, okay, library. Is amazing. That's it. So now you have an ebook like this one as you observe, from 90 meltdowns to academic mastery, a blueprint for parenting children with ADHD. So now it's time now to actually go to these 3 dots and export your own PDF as a export your own like a PDF. Perfect. And here a good question comes up. Why, Riemann, in the first place we use NotebookLM for making this huge content? Because your main digital product for sure is your ebook. But to transform your ebook from a normal PDF to beautiful and highly valuable digital product, you've got to make a bundle of these related products. Just you can make a package to purchase your digital product immediately to make your own offer irresistible. So we can use NotebookLM, not only that, to generate this content, but also here you can convert this content to beautiful formats to make your own bundle and your ebook high valuable. So you can convert this text to audio overview like a podcast, so everyone can actually use this audiobook or this audio track while traveling, while on the rest day or something. Audio overview. Or you can convert some parts to mind maps, or just create your quiz to make your ebook more engagement and as a funny learning pathway, not just a plain PDF and just go. Okay, and so on and so forth. So you can use NotebookLM just to maximize the benefit of your ebook premium and as a package. Okay, that's it. And of course, if you want to promote this amazing bundle or this package, the best place for sure is reddit.com. Here you can find huge amounts of these subreddits hungry for these such digital items. And of course, you can find many people and many parents suffering from this specific problem and these angles. So you can create your own digital ebook and sell them like a boss. And of course, just talked about how you can promote these digital items of any kind in a beautiful structure and work it for me to get consistent digital sales. So I built my own DigiPlaybook like this one. Okay, that takes you from the first step of how you can get ideas, the highly demand digital products, to beautiful to promote your own digital item with high confidence and get your first sale under 30 days as you see. Okay, that's it. And of course, you can get the Career Profit Vault as a valuable bonus here if you get DigiPlaybook. You can find all these links down below in the first comment and description box. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.